In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add holidays to your Smartsheet projects. If you manage team schedules, deadlines, or long-running plans, setting up holidays correctly keeps your timeline accurate and helps you avoid surprise conflicts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to block out holidays, so Smartsheet treats them as non-working days and schedules adjust automatically. Start by logging into Smartsheet and opening the specific project you want to update. It sounds basic, but make sure you're on the correct sheet to prevent confusion later. Once you're in, look for the name column, the primary column on the far left that lists your tasks or project steps. Click that column to select it because that's how we'll access the project settings. Now, right-click on the name column. If you're on a Mac trackpad, a two-finger tap does the same thing. From the menu that appears, choose Edit Project Settings. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the right option so you don't open the wrong panel. Inside Project Settings, find the Dependencies Enabled checkbox. If this is new to you, dependencies help Smartsheet understand task relationships and timing. Even if you're not actively linking tasks yet, turning this on unlocks the calendar controls you need to add holidays. Check Dependencies Enabled, then click OK to save that change. With dependencies on, you can set holidays. Go back into Project Settings and look for the Working Days section. Click Edit to open your project's working calendar. In the bottom right corner of that window, you'll see a small calendar icon. Click it to open a pop-up calendar view. Here's where you choose your holidays. Click any date to mark it as a non-working day. You can select multiple dates, and if you make a mistake, click again to toggle it off. For example, if your team is off on July 4th, select that date. Smartsheet will treat it like a blocked day, so it won't count toward task durations, and nothing will be scheduled to start or finish on that date. When you've selected all the applicable holidays, click OK to confirm. Give Smartsheet a moment to update. You'll see your schedule adjust as needed, skipping those non-working days automatically. If tasks shift slightly, that's normal. Your timeline is recalculating to stay realistic. You can always revisit the same settings to add or remove holidays later, and it's a good idea to review your Gantt chart or calendar view afterward to ensure everything aligns with your expectations. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, drop your questions or suggestions in the comments, and subscribe for more Smartsheet tips, guides, and productivity tricks.